Every summer at Badlands National Park, paleontologists prospect for fossils in a never-ending quest for knowledge about Earth's ancient past. The work is demanding, hot, and dusty. Some fossils are easy to spot, exposed by the erosive forces of weather, wind, water. But usually only a small portion of the specimen is exposed. Removing this bear dog specimen will take many hours of field work, requiring both mind and muscle. More robust tools, such as hammers and chisels, are used to trench around a fossil specimen before it can be removed. Once a specimen has been separated from the surrounding rock or matrix, the work of applying a plaster jacket begins. Tissue paper is applied first to form a protective layer between the fossil and plaster. Burlap strips soaked in plaster and layered atop the tissue will harden into a protective jacket, allowing for easy transport back to the lab. Identifying information about the fossil, such as field number, preliminary ID, and date of discovery, are written onto the hardened plaster.
Here it is. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, go. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect. Perfect.
The specimen, thought to be a nimravid, one of the saber-toothed cat families, is completely encased with several layers of plaster. With field work complete, the encased fossil is packed out of the field to avoid impacting other resources such as plants or cultural objects. Once in the lab, scientists will spend an average of 6 hours for every hour spent in the field, preparing, identifying, and cataloging the specimen. At the South Dakota School of Mines, in the paleontology lab, the whine of pneumatic tools is ever present. Here, plaster-encased fossils, like the nimravid discovered in the Badlands, are opened by fossil preparators. Sandbags support the jacket, safety glasses protect the eyes, and a cast-cutting saw is used to open the plaster jacket. The jacket peels off easily because of the tissue barrier applied in the field between the matrix and the plaster. The slow process of revealing the fossil now begins. Other fossils are at different stages of preparation. Pneumatic drills are used when the matrix is more resistant. Great care is taken to avoid damaging the fossil. Once a fossil is completely prepared in the lab, it becomes available for research and study. It is not an end, but an exciting beginning. As technology advances, new insight into animals from our ancient past becomes possible. At the University of Texas at Austin, 2D and 3D visualizations of the external and internal structure of vertebrates are generated using a state-of-the-art high-resolution CT scanner. The Digital Morphology Library contains imagery like this fossil worm lizard from the Badlands that are important for education and cutting-edge research efforts. With every new discovery, from field to lab, we gain a fuller understanding of life on Earth. Discoveries that perhaps will help us foresee what the future holds for planet Earth.